inaugural season of Bilugaw Camarines Norte. Brought to you by Congressman Satigo Andarang People Party List. Katabang na Resulta. We welcome you everyone inside Austin Forward for our final game of our double-headed watch-off in our elimination round battle between Team Maracay versus Team Santa Elena. For the sisters of Team Maracay, number 7 point guard, Dot Natividad. Wearing jersey number 24, shooting guard, Kirby Orihuela. Wearing jersey number 4, shooting forward, Ajay Miranda. Wearing jersey number 18, our forward, Ismael Manao. And wearing jersey number 3, center, Danny Manilao. Then coach for Team Maracay, necessarily center Medma. And for the Centers of Team Santa Elena, wearing jersey number 7, point guard, John Hosson. Wearing jersey number 0, shooting guard, John Oliveira. Wearing jersey number 16, small forward, Jonathan Aracelo Jr. Wearing jersey number 17, power forward, Eugene Ayape. And wearing jersey number 18, center, Prince Aviera. For the head coach of Team Santa Elena, Mr. Serwani Orbina. And officiating officials for this ball game, Richie Edmond Parahola, number 1, Renato Chimacera, and number 2, Guillermo Johannes. This is your Bilugaw Camarines Norte.
Magandang gabi, Pilipinas, hello world, and syempre pa, Diyos maray na banggi, mga kasurog nating Bicolano. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Camarines Norte para sa inaugural season at ang kauna-unahang game day dito po sa Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Norte. Live na live dito sa Basud Sports Complex. Ito na po ang bakbakan ng Santa Elena at Paracali. Ako po si Kapa Morgan kasama si
Wadi John Bachiller at your service. This is going to be an exciting game for sure. Si AJ Miranda gives the ball to Danny Marilao. Marilao attacks, swings the ball to number 24. Na si Orihuela but misses the shot. Si number 7 na si Hosol attacking. Stripped by AJ Miranda and the ball will go to Santa Elena.
Sila yung mga notable guys ng Paracali. Itong si AJ Miranda was a former JRU standout. At itong si Danny Marilao naman who played a lot of big leagues under his name.
Ayan na. Missing the shot is number 24 na si Orihuela. But there is Eugene diving for the loose ball. But the possession will remain sa mga taga-yellow ang Paracali.
So wala pa pong nakakaunang score dito sa tapatang ito. Both teams still looking for the first 2-pointer, even 3-pointer of the ball game.
And I think Boy de Rosario gives the ball to number 7. Misses the 3-point bomb. Orihuela is rushing, gives the ball to Dan Natividad. AJ Miranda.
There you go.
Opening the scoring with a 3-point bomb is AJ Miranda.
Kailangang bantayan mo yung mamang yan. Hindi basta-basta yan. Si AJ Miranda.
Ayan na si Oliveira. And he was caught dancing in the wrong song and was called for steps.
And samantala sa Santa Elena naman, of course, we have the best import sa ating Camarines leg, si Eugene Huge Steel Malyapre.
Ayan na si Natividad. Back-to-back threes on the part of Paracali. And now the score is 6-0 in favor of Paracali. Hindi pa nakakabutas ang Santa Elena dito. Ayan na si Malyapre. For 3. No good, but Nick Boy del Rosario.
Ayan na naman.
Ayan na si Orihuela. Gives the ball to Natividad. Danny Marilao. AJ Miranda again for 3.
Bang!
It is a 9-0 run on the part of Paracale. Medyo this is a tall order for Tikboy Del Rosario kasi alam niya he is a markman. So tingnan natin kung anong magiging adjustments si Tikboy pagdating sa larong ito.
Wingman to wingman ang laban dito. Tikboy Del Rosario and AJ Miranda.
Ayan ang Miranda again, stopping and popping for 3. No good. Rebound. Nakuha ni number 19 na si Abiera. But natapik ni Orejola and ang bola mapupunta sa mga naka-violet shirts ang Santa Elena. And by the way, donning the yellow jerseys are the Paracale and yung violet and yellow jerseys yung Santa Elena.
Ayan, ayan yung first miss ni AJ Miranda, who cannot only score from the outside but could also attack and very explosive attacking the basket.
Yes, what a pass, and that is the first score of Santa Elena courtesy of Eugene Malyapre with that behind the back pass galing kay Tikboy Del Rosario.
Siyempre, iba ang nasa pangalan niya.
Yes,
He's the best import for the Camarines Sur Leg.
And si Tikboy who played sa big league sa Manila
Oo.
will add veteran presence and exposure pagdating dito sa Santa Elena.
Tama, hindi pa nag-iinit yan si Aquaman Tikboy Del Rosario. Ito na,
Ayan na
siya may
si
hawak ang bola.
Del Rosario. Sayang ng pasa, tumama sa paa. And the ball will remain to Santa Elena with 16 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. The score is 2-9 in favor of Paracale. Malyapre. Yan na si Abiera. Missing the shot. Danny Marilao secures the possession. Gives the ball to Orejola. Orejola with the spin. With the emergency pass, gives the ball to Natividad. Natividad attacking. What a pass kay
What
Orejola.
a play!
What a play.
Natividad to Kirby Orejola. Actually, si AJ Miranda asking from the corner pero sabi ni dito tayo, sabi ni Natividad kay Orejola, mas malapit sa ring, mas high percentage shot. At yun na nga, nadagdagan ng kanilang score. They're now enjoying 11 points kontra sa 2-pointer ng koponan ng Santa Elena. What a big start for Team Paracale.
Yes, it is a high-scoring game on the part of Paracale. As early as first quarter, meron na silang 3 3-point bombs. So expect mo na talagang patuloy ang pagpukol ng 3-pointers ng mga taga-Paracale. And now siguro ngayon, Eugene Malyapre and Tikboy Del Rosario is a markman. So tingnan natin.
They need to step up as early as now.
Yes, kasi alam naman nila na talagang yung defensa ay nakapokus sa kanila. So yun na nga, we are back sa ating laro with 6 minutes and 20 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Lamang ang sa Paracale.
Ayan, natawagan ng foul. Itong kauna-unahang foul, itong si AJ Miranda. Trying to trap Tikboy Del Rosario. Extended 1-2-2 ang ina-apply nitong
Ayan na si Del Rosario.
Paracale.
Malyapre. With 5 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Del Rosario for the long bomb. Kaboom!
And there you go! Launching the first bomb.
Yes.
Tikboy Del Rosario.
Yes, one thing I like about this guy is he is very calm pagdating sa loob ng court. Ayan na si Natividad for 3, misses the shot, but AJ Miranda missing the point blank range. Ayan na si Abiera Prince, binigay kay Bonabon. Ayan na si number 23 na si Hara Alvin, misses the shot, but there is Eugene. But what
Nice
a pass!
pass!
Ayan na Malyapre.
Medyo hirap dun si Steele.
Del Rosario with 7 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Del Rosario kicks the ball to Bonabon. Corner 3. No good. Rebound ni Tikboy Del Rosario. Del Rosario, what a pass kay Bonabon. Sayang ng pasa.
Ganda ng compose itong si Tikboy Del Rosario dito sa larong ito. Hindi mo mafe-feel yung pressure na nasa sa kanya.
Yes, Natividad gives the ball to AJ Miranda, to Danny Marilao. Danny Marilao is being quiet as early as first quarter. Hindi pa siya pumupukol. Natividad with 14 seconds remaining. AJ Miranda for long bomb. No good. Rebound. Nakuha ni Eugene Malyapre.
Oh. That's di natin masasabing bad pass from Bonabon dahil
Yes.
meron lang talagang hindi niya kaagad nakita yung defense na nando doon.
Yes, it is a case of medyo talagang nahihirapan pa ang Santa Elena with the pressure defense na pinapakita ng Paracale. Kaya tingnan natin kung ano magiging adjustments. Yan na si Del Rosario. May pick na galing kay Eugene Malyapre. Del Rosario gives the ball to Malyapre. Top of the key jumper, misses the shot. And the ball will go to Team Paracale.
Malyapre is being defended by a much taller guy and medyo mas malaki sa kanya ng konti itong si Manaog.
Yes, yan na si Orejola. Grabe naman yun, partner. Orejola curvy. Drains the 3-point bomb. His second 3-point bomb of the ball game.
That's actually the fourth 3-pointer of Paracale.
Ayan na Del Rosario. Gives the ball. Another turnover on the part of Santa Elena. Manao gives the ball to Natividad. Natividad with a crossover. What a
Nice
pass
pass!
by Danny Marilao.
What a good finish from Danny Marilao.
And this is just the biggest lead of Paracale with 11 points. Natividad one-on-one against Tick Boy Del Rosario, heavily guarded. Ayan na si Del Rosario attacking the defense and he was caught. Foul, kaya papupunta sa ating free throw line si Tick Boy Del Rosario.
Ismael Manao.
So it was Ismael Manaog who was called for the foul.
Substitution.
Dalawang free throws ang ibibigay dito kay Aquaman Tick Boy Del Rosario. Kailangang madagdagan yung score nila na 5 kontra sa 16 ng kalaban. And there you go, making the first a shot from the free throw line at 3 minutes and 44 seconds remaining. Bilis ng oras, ano, partner?
Yes, partner, we have 2 for 2 on the part of Tick Boy Del Rosario. Meron tayong substitution, pinasok si number 6 sa sila Dislao, pinasok, pinalitan si number 19 na si Abiera Prince to add siguro speed kasi alam naman natin na talagang malaki ang lineup ng Paracale, so kailangan daanin ng Santa Elena.
Smaller lineup sila ngayon, pero we'll see kung ano magiging epekto nun. But there you go. Sabi ko nga, hindi lang pang tres yang si AJ Miranda. Explosive din yan when it comes to attacking the basket. And he's a clutch guy. He can nail crucial shots. Nice pass.
What a
nice
pass
shot.
by Eugene Malyapre sa number 23 na si Hara Alvin to add the scoring para sa mga naka-violet shirts sa Santa Elena. And the score is 9-18 with 3 minutes and 2 seconds remaining sa ating laro. Ayan na si number 33 na si Bustos Ken. Bustos for 3. Kaboom!
Yes.
A much needed score on the part of Bustos talaga dahil medyo nahihirapan sila sa pinapakitang depensa ng Paracale. Ayan na si Danny Marilao, one-on-one against Eugene Malyapre.
Nice play. That's a high-low pass from Danny Marilao to the cutting Manawag.
Jonathan Del Rosario Jr. First personal foul, second.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Kita mo, very evident yung ball rotation ng Paracale talaga. And pagdating naman dito sa Santa Elena, medyo nahihirapan sila talaga umiscore. Dito sa Santa Elena talaga mabilis at maganda yung flow ng kanilang opensa. So tingnan natin kung anong magiging adjustments ng coach ng Santa Elena.
Halatang halata na yung team ng Santa Elena ay nag-a-adjust pa dito sa kanilang guest players na sina Tickboy Del Rosario and Eugene Malyapre. Natanong ko si Coach Jose Jorbeña kanina na hindi actually sila nagkaroon ng pagkakataon na makapag-practice with these two guys. Pero kaya yon, makikita mo na talagang dito na lang sila nag-a-adjust sa larong ito.
Yes,
and hopefully makuha nila yung tamang tempo para sa kanilang team.
Yes, now Ismael Manawag is in the free throw line. And he was fouled by Tickboy Del Rosario. And Manawag is 2 for 2 from the line. And the score is 20-2 in favor of Santa Elena. Rather Paracale.
Maganda yung tira ni Manaog, ano?
Yes, he has a soft touch. Even if he's a big guy. Yan na si Eugene Natividad. Passes to Orejola.
Nice finish.
Easy.
It's the Natividad and Orejola connection. Kanina pa yan.
Del Rosario gives the ball to Malyapre against Manawag. Malyapre. Binalik.
Next set.
With 9 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock.
8 seconds to shoot.
Muntik nang mabitawan ni number 6 na si Ladislao Jerome.
5 seconds.
Maganda yung epekto ng extended 1-2-2 nitong Paracale.
What a pass by Tikboy but misses it. Malyapre. Undergo stop, misses Orihola. Secures the possession. Binigay kay Natividad. Natividad stops and pops to Orihola with the floater. Sorry miss, but there is Danny Marilao
Ayan.
with the putback.
If Natividad and Oriola connection doesn't work, it's going to be Orihola and Marilao.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Ayan na si number 33 na si Bustos Ken. Tikboy, binigay kay Hara. Misses the shot. Natividad with a behind the back dribble. Natapik Marilao.
Oh. Lucky pass. So ayan na, lumalaki na yung kalamangan as early as now. Di pa nagtatapos po ang ating nice pass. Oh! Sorry, miss.
What a
Kay
miss by
Mr. Huge Deal.
AJ Miranda.
there you
What
go.
a shot.
What a shot from AJ Miranda. Good defense.
Malyapre sa ilalim.
And there
And
you
he
go.
was fouled.
Talagang mas gusto ni Eugene yung talagang dinidepensahan siya. At ayan, meron siyang 3-point play opportunity.
Second personal foul, third team foul.
Nakawat the offensive rebound ni Eugene and the putback. A much needed score talaga. Medyo the score is now bleeding kaya medyo kailangan na talaga mag-pile up ng points ng mga guest players ng Santa Elena na si Eugene and si Tikboy. So, tingnan natin. This is just the first quarter kaya abangan natin kung mga susunod na kabanata.
Short yung tira ni Huge Deal, Eugene Malyapre sa free throw line. Cannot complete the 3-point play.
Yan na si Danny Marilao against Eugene Malyapre. Gives the ball to Natividad. Behind the back dribble. Orihola, what a pass!
Grabe, ganun ka-organized partner ang laruan itong Paracale.
Yan na si Oliveira, open for 3. No good, pero nandun si Hara. Sayang, muntik niya na makuha.
But Hara just couldn't save the ball.
Meantime, 18 seconds.
It's 16-point lead. Nasasakta na kaagad dito ang Santa Elena.
Yan na si Natividad. And the shot clock is off with 10 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Natividad gives the ball
Nice
to
play
Manawag.
once
What
again.
a pass, what a backdoor play. Ayan na si Del Rosario. Half-court shot. Misses, and that ends the first quarter with the score of 14-32 in favor of Paracale.
At yan po, nagtatapos ang ating unang frame ng ating laban ng Santa Elena and ng Paracale. Obviously, talagang organized, mas prepared itong Paracale. But, still very early to say. Kailangan ng matinding adjustments itong kupunan ng Santa Elena to cope up with the preparedness, with the readiness of with this organized team na Paracale.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Very evident talaga. Kita pa lang sa passing ng Santa ng Paracale. Talaga kita-kita. I've noticed, kilala ko ang coach ng Paracale na si Alex Nueva.
Alex Nueva.
Yes, Alex Nueva is a native dati ng Kamalig. Now he is residing here sa Camarines Norte.
At isa sa mga sikat na player sa
Yes,
Albay.
tama
and,
ka
dito
dyan.
sa Bicol region. And, right now, sabi ko, hindi ka maglalaro. Sabi niya, pahinga muna. Kaya coaching siya. Anyway, pasadahan muna natin, partner, yung mga leading scorers natin for our first quarter. Santa Elena, it's Tikboy Del Rosario with 5 points. Malyapre with 4. Kenny Oriola, 11 points para sa kupunan naman ng leading team, which is Paracale.
Yan na si Marilao. Gives the ball to number 22. Na si Nabo John misses the shot. Yan si Hosol. What a courageous drive. But there is number 65 na si Pada defending that shot. Muntik nang makascore. Yan na si Del Rosario. What
Nice
a
pass.
pass and a teardrop. Ay number 7. na si John Hosol to decrease the lead ng Paracale. Ayan na si Pada. Ayan na si Hosol. What a pass by Tikboy Del Rosario.
Ayan, two consecutive shots for Hosol.
Yes, partner. One thing I like about Tikboy, even if it's not scoring talaga,
Oo.
yung presence niya sa loob when it comes to passing talaga, and pag-orchestrate sa loob, talagang mararamdaman mo. Kaya talagang napakaganda ng impact ng isang Tikboy Del Rosario.
Tama.
Ayan na si Tikboy. One-on-one against number 22 na si John Nabo. Abiera against Danny Marilao. Abiera for 3. Misses the shot. Escosio grabbing the rebound. Ayan na si Pada crossing the half-court line against Hosol. Pada may pick na galing kay Danny Marilao. One-on-one si number 22. Kaso nakaapak. What a good defense on the part of Prince Abiera.
The ball went out of bounds mula kay John Nabo. Pupunta kayo ng bola sa koponan nitong si Tikboy Del Rosario. Managing to trying to control the ball. Nice play!
What a pass. But a sorry
miss.
miss by number 31 na si Malanlan.
Ayan na naman ang napakagandang orchestration sana. Pero binawi, hindi pa rin.
What a miss. Ayan na si Pada. One-on-one against Eugene Malyapre. With 9 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Bogtong against Eugene Malyapre. Misses the shot. Ayan na, Tikboy Del Rosario is rushing against Bogtong. What a pass kay Malyapre. Gives the ball. Hoson. Abiera with the follow-away jumper. No good. What a sorry miss again on the part of
nandun yung mga tira.
Malaluan.
Pero ganun din, di na ay babuslo.
Pada gives the ball to Danny Marilao. Short jumper.
He can shoot from the perimeter.
Del Rosario for 3. No good, but the tip in galing kay Prince Abiera. What a tip on the part of the kid Abiera.
Oo, lucky tip yon for Prince Abiera.
Yan na si Pada. Marilao one-on-one against Eugene Malyapre. Pada, short jumper, gives the ball to Escosio. What a pass, but blocked by Tikboy Del Rosario. Ayan na si Tikboy, spinning. But
And he was fouled.
What a good foul on the part of number 65. Na si O'Neal Pada to prevent the streaking Tikboy Del Rosario.
Pero still, Paracale is leading by 14 points.
Yes, this is just a 14-point lead on the part of Paracale. Very manageable. Pero tingnan natin kung ano ang maipoproduce ni Tikboy sa larong ito.
Yung pa. Nadulas pa. So, John Hosol was called for a traveling violation. It will be Paracale's ball.
With 6 minutes and 30 seconds remaining sa ating first half, lamang pa rin ang Paracale. Escosio gives the ball to Pada with 14 seconds remaining. Marilao swings the ball to Bogtong. Spins against Eugene Malyapre. Misses the shot. Tikboy Del Rosario. What the undergo stab but misses the shot. Ayan na si Marilao. Marilao is rushing. Drops it up to Bugtong against Eugene. Ayan na si Hosol. What a Euro step and a foul. And one.
Nice shot. Nice finish for John Hosol.
Yes, partner. Tama. What a finish by John Hosol. Partner, one thing I've noticed, partner. If Santa Elena is running, lamang na lamang sila dito sa Paracale.
Oo. So, I think they need to run more and make those transition offense. Magandang pinapakita nitong John Hosol sa kampo ng Santa Elena. Kaya nga medyo talagang binibigyan siya ng time din ng kanilang coach. Okay, we will have a report first, partner, mula kay Miss Jessamay Navales. Miss Jessamay, pasok!
Good evening mga kasorog. I am Jessamay Navales, your Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Norte courtside reporter. The game has just started. Coach John and Kapa Morgan, unti-unti na nga pinapainit ng Paracale at Santa Elena ang Basud Sports Complex for their very first game in this tournament. Wherein Paracale started the ball game with a good starting point, having a strong defense and maximizing well their height advantage to protect the ball. However, there's so many possibilities kaya hindi pwedeng mag-relax lalo na't nagpapakita rin ng determinasyon ang kabilang koponan. So that's the latest for now. Back to you, Coach John and Kapa Morgan.
Yes, maraming salamat, Miss Jessamay. Yun ang partner after that sequence. Nakita natin what a good pass na Katik Boy. And Eugene Malyapre was hacked and he is now in the free throw line.
Still good effort on the part of the Aquaman Tikboy Del Rosario, making that beautiful bounce pass to the cutting huge steal Eugene Malyapre na naka-shoot na sa unang free throw niya, and we'll see kung may papasok niya pa ito.
Yes, a big
Nothing
man
but net.
has a decent free throw shooting. Ito na, bumaba na sa 11-point lead ang kalamangan ng Paracale.
Oo. With AJ Miranda nasa bench ngayon.
Yes.
Pero kumakana pa rin yung kanyang mga kakampi.
At a shot by Abasolo.
Like that one.
Abasolo, Ian. Malyapre for 3.
Bang!
What a
He
shot.
can shoot those kind of shots.
Yes. We know Eugene Malyapre can take those kind of shots. Yan ang Marilao, defended by Eugene Malyapre. What a defense na pinapakita. After that good offense, yun naman, pagbalik, good defense on the part of Eugene Malyapre.
Tama. Kudos to this huge guy.
Olivera, baseline jumper.
Maganda yung tira.
Pasok yan. And this is just a 8-point lead partner. Yan na. Unti-unti na nagpapile up ang score. Natividad for 3. Misses the shot. But there is number 10 na si Villa Marzo Eldic Del Rosario. Hop, skips. And he was fouled. And will troop to the line sa ating charity stripe for 2.
Fouled by
number 8.
Number 8 na si Chison Escosio.
Yes, a big man. Grabe partner, ang laking big man. Na si Escosio.
First time ni it's the second time of
yes, it's the second time na
Tikboy Del Rosario
will troop to the line, and nothing but net on the part of Tikboy Del Rosario. Tingnan natin sa kanyang second free throw kung may papasok niya.
Yan, perfect pa rin siya sa free throw line. 4 out of 4. And that cuts down the lead to just 6 points.
Yes, partner. Tikboy and Eugene Malyapre is working wonders now for Santa Elena. We'll see what adjustments ang ipapakita ng Paracale. Ayan na.
Hindi pa rin ipinapasok ni Coach Bueva itong si AJ Miranda, who started really well para sa kanyang kupunan.
One thing I've noticed, partner, yung Paracale pala is now in the penalty situation, while yung Santa Elena committed it is just the first team foul nila, partner.
So matipid din sila sa foul.
Yes, and that goes to show yung depensa na pinapakita nila. Talagang honest defense.
Natapos sunod na 2 puntos using the board itong si Manaog for Paracale. Nice shot! Medyo forced yun pero outbalance, pero he made it anyway.
What a shot by Villa Marzo. Natividad gives the ball to number 22. Black. Partially blocked.
Pasok pa rin yan.
What a shot by Nabo. Danny Marilao is rushing. Marilao. Natapik, binigay kay Tikboy Del Rosario.
Pero bahagyang natapik din yung pasa. Sayang.
Yes. Natividad, hesitation. What a fake. What a shot,
What
partner.
a shot.
Over Eugene
Over a
Malyapre.
big man. The huge guy. Or huge steal, Eugene Malyapre. Hindi rin in-expect ni Eugene na ganun ang magiging galawan ng mamang yon.
Santa Elena will shoot timeouts.
It's back to an 11-point lead.
Yes, kanina bumaba na siya as 8-point lead pero yun na nga.
Pero ibig sabihin, partner, na merong tsansa na matapatan ng scoring nitong
Yes, tama ka dyan. Alam mo.
much organized na Paracali team nitong kupunan ni na Eugene Malyapre na Santa Elena.
Tama ka dyan. Alam mo naman ang basketball is a game of runs kaya talagang
Konting adjustments pa, kumbaga. Kailangan lang talagang mag-jive nitong mga teams ng Santa Elena.
again para sa ating late tuners, donning the violet jerseys ng Santa Elena and yung Paracale, yung yellow and blue stripes. And si Hosol gives the ball to Olivera. Gives the ball to Abiera Prince. Olivera fakes with the jumper. Misses the
Not
shot.
this time for Olivera. Kanina doon sa corner talagang swak na swak yung kanyang tira.
Ayan na si AJ Miranda with the step back, misses the shot. Tikboy grabs the rebound. Tikboy is rushing. Tikboy flies and scores
Nice shot.
4-2.
Ganda ng galawan doon ni Tikboy. Talagang he knows how to squeeze it in papunta sa defense.
Yan na si Danny Marilao, gives the ball to AJ Miranda against Eugene Malyapre. Kicks it out. Number 22 misses the shot. Abiera Prince.
There you go. That's the trap from AJ Miranda and Natividad.
Yan na si Manao, gives the ball to Danny Marilao with 17 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Natividad against Tikboy del Rosario. Strip and he was hacked. And the ball. Bola pa rin ng mga naka-yellow shirts with 10 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. The score is 36-45 in favor of Paracale.
1.49 seconds remaining.
Yan na Miranda. Misses the shot. And the ball
that guy,
will go to Santa Elena.
Janabo trying to save that ball pero he was too late. Kaya mapupunta ang bola, ang possession dito sa mga naka-purple, which is ang kupunan ng Santa Elena. They're trailing by 9 points. Malapit na magtapos ang ating second quarter.
Del Rosario against Nabo. What a fishing expedition on the part of Tikboy del Rosario. That is Tikboy's IQ pagdating sa basketball.
Pagdating sa talagang mataas, high IQ basketball. It's Tikboy del Rosario. Perfect pa rin siya sa free throw line. That's his fifth.
And ayoko i-jinx, partner. Tamang ikaw na lang ang magpuna ng free throw ni Tikboy. And again, the score is 37-45 and now 38-45. This is the lead ng this is the highest lead ba to? Hindi naman.
Hindi naman.
Yan na si Natividad, directing traffic, gives the ball to Danny Marilao. Natividad.
It is just a 7-point lead now. Manawag will shoot 3. Nope. Rattles out. Tikboy del Rosario. Bahagyang natapal yon. Kaya Natividad. And a pull-up jumper using the board.
Ayan na si Manawag. Tikboy del Rosario.
Isa ng tao sa unahan. Nice play. Everything but the shot.
Del Rosario, top of the key 3, attacks. Del Rosario. Hops, what a shot. Grabe
What a
naman.
move. That's a spectacular move mula kay Tikboy del Rosario.
Ayun na nga, partner. And that is yung ganti talaga ng Santa Elena. Very basic. Pagdating, passing, good passing. But on the part of Santa Elena, hirap na hirap. But Tikboy del Rosario, pinapadali ang buhay nila. And si Hosol, who is helping Tikboy now.
Pati si Jan Oso na-inspire kay Tikboy del Rosario.
Yes, tapang ka dyan. And yun na nga. And that ends our first half with the score of 42-49 in favor of Paracale.
7 na lamang po ang kalamangan ng inahabol ng Santa Elena. And well, that's it. That's our first half of action between Paracale and Santa Elena. This is going to be an exciting second half. Asahan natin yan. Kami po ni Wadi Jan Batsiliera ay magbabalik. Diyan lamang po kayo. Ito po ang Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Norte. Hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ang Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurog pa.
Problema sa tubig, agarang binigyang solusyon. Nagpatayo ng mga solar-powered water supply system sa mga liblib na lugar. Libre, malinis at maaasahang supply ng tubig 24/7.
Dako laon ang pagpapasalamat niya mo. Dahil may ikamalilingan habang kami nabubuhay.
Nakulaon nining tabang para sa gabos na tao digdi. Salamat po.
Para sa ating mga kababayang nasa laylayan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaunin tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Salamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Tayo nakakatabang sa muya sa gabi.
Maaasahan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Dinat sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arab po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan, mahigit 1 dekada nang naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Matanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maypangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Buraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, kadakulan ang tabang digdi sa muya.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon. Mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Problema sa tubig, agarang binigyang solusyon. Nagpatayo ng mga solar-powered water supply system sa mga liblib na lugar. Libre, malinis at maaasahang supply ng tubig 24/7.
Dakulaon ang pagpapasalamat niya mo dahil may ikamalilinwan habang kami nabubuhay.
Dakulaon nining tabang para sa gabos na tao digdi. Salamat po.
Para sa ating mga kababayang nasa laylayan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaon ng tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Salamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Tayo nakakatabang sa muya sa gabi.
Maaasahan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Dinat sa gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arab po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan, mahigit isang dekada nang naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Matanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Buraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadakulan ang tabang digdi sa muya.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon, mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
Back to the action dito po sa Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Norte, ang kauna-unahang game day natin matapos ang panalo kanina ng Jose Panganiban kontra Labo. Right now, sino kaya dito sa dalawang kupunan na to na nagbabakbakan ngayon sa ating pagpasok sa second half? It's between Santa Elena, yung mga naka-purple, samantalang yung mga naka-yellow, ang mga taga-Paracale.
Yan na si AJ Miranda with the 2 3-point bombs in opening the third quarter. Yan na Del Rosario gives the ball to Eugene. Malyapre for 3.
Yes! It rolls it in.
Opening the scoring for Team Santa Elena, Eugene Malyapre with that booming 3. Marilao against Malyapre.
So it's now just a 4-point lead.
Abiera gives the ball to Tikboy. And si Eugene. Eugene with the fake. Cross court to Hosol. Hosol 1-on-1 against Natividad. Gives the ball to Abiera. Abiera.
Nahirapan si Abiera.
Natividad flies but misses the shot.
Oh!
Orihola. 1-on-1 against Tikboy. Abiera. Ayan na si Olivera.
Now it's Orijola manning Tikboy Del Rosario.
Hosol against Danny Marilao. Gives the ball to Del Rosario with 9 seconds remaining. What a pass kay Abiera. Abiera with a short jumper but misses the shot. AJ Miranda is rushing. AJ gives the ball to Marilao with the floater. Marilao misses the shot. Del Rosario secures the possession. Del Rosario is rushing. Tikboy stops, gives the ball to Hosol.
Hindi naman ipinaya ni Jan Hosol. I like this guy.
Yes, partner. Hosol is a steady guy when it comes to scoring. Yan na si Marilao against Olivera. Marilao gives the ball to what a shot.
Nice play from Marilao to Manaog.
Manaog with the undergoal stab against Eugene Malyapre. Olivera attacks with a sidestepping move.
What a move by Olivera. Sayang.
And now medyo naging aggressive na ang Santa Elena when it comes to scoring. Ngayon naman medyo nagkakaroon ng konting turnovers ng Santa Elena. Medyo yun na nga sa game of adjustments kaya nakapag-adjust na ang both teams. Kaya tingnan natin kung anong magiging resulta sa mga nalalabing minuto ng ating third quarter.
I can sense a down-the-wire game.
Olivera splits the free throws and the score is 48-53. This is so far yung pinakamaliit na lamang ng Paracale over Santa Elena with 7 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. AJ Miranda with a fake. Gives the ball to number 18 na si Manawag. Manawag. A miscommunication on the part of Manawag and AJ Miranda, and a turnover is forced by Santa Elena.
And right now, nagpe-pressure na ang full court pressure na itong Paracale.
Hosol gives the ball to Malyapre. Abiera gives the ball to Hosol with the fake. Hosol with the step back jumper. Kaboom!
I told you, I like this guy.
Yes, partner. Very calm and composed itong si Hosol pagdating sa kanyang offense. Kaya naman talagang yung lamang ng Paracale ay malit na lang.
Marilao na sa high post.
Natividad with the jump step. Natividad. Fall away. Misses the shot. Del Rosario. Outlets to Hosol. Hosol is alone. And the floater for two. A good recognition on the part of Del Rosario again. What outlet pass. And this is just a 1-point lead. Kapit partner. Ayan na si Natividad. One-on-one.
Point lead.
AJ Miranda challenged by Tikboy. Nothing but the bottom of the net for AJ Miranda.
When they needed it the most. Ayan. AJ Miranda to the rescue.
Ayan na si Hosol crossing over against AJ Miranda. Gives the ball.
Nice fade
away.
away.
With the follow-away jumper. And medyo talaga lumuluwag na yung ring ng Santa Elena right now. Ayan na Paracale. Natividad with the spin over Eugene Malyapre.
Nice defense but better offense.
Olivera waiting for his teammates. Olivera for three. No good. Rebound by Manawag. Natividad outlets to Orijola. Orijola, what a hop, skip in the shot for Orijola.
He can finish like Tikboy Del Rosario. Maganda rin ang inilalaro nitong si Orijola. One of the masasabi natin, one of the best players ng Paracale.
Yes, this Orijola guy talaga is very steady din pagdating sa opensa. He started the offense kanina on the team Paracale, and during the timeout siguro napagalitan ni Coach Alex kasi he has to step up kasi yung scoring ng Paracale medyo naputol. So Orijola is now in the rescue for team Paracale.
Tama. And
this is just a 6-point lead, partner, with 5 minutes remaining. 5 minutes and 48 seconds remaining to be exact sa ating third quarter.
Oo, maganda yung medyo relax na kung tumira ang mga naka-violet. Itong mga taga Santa Elena, kung ikukumpara doon sa first 2 quarters.
Marilao committed a foul against Eugene Malyapre. Medyo nagkalambingan at nagkatulakan doon sa ilalim. Napatawa na lang si Eugene Malyapre and si Danny Marilao.
Baseline, throw. Eugene Malyapre, may tangan ng bola now.
Malyapre with the pick.
Walang mapasahan.
AJ Miranda, Natividad Solo, Marilao.
They're actually doing a man-to-man defense right now. Nahirapan din doon si Tikboy Del Rosario.
Yes, kasi Tikboy is a markman right now. Talaga alam nila anytime Tikboy can score. So talagang binabantayan nila maigi. And nagresulta din yung kanang pagbubunga sa depensa kaya nag-force ng turnover ang Santa Elena.
So it's going to be Paracales ball. Leading by 8. Kanina, nag-lead yan ng mga 18 points.
AJ Miranda for 3. Misses the shot, but there is Orijola. Grabbing the offensive rebound, Marilao against Abiera. Double team, Orijola for 3. No good. Good backs out to the part of Del Rosario. Ayan na si Tikboy is rushing.
Nasa likod niya si Manaog.
What
nice pass, pero
a sorry miss on the part of
just
number 31 na si Malaluan Romel. Ayan na si Orijola attacking and scoring for 2. Yan na si Olivera Kobe. Crossing the half-court line, gives the ball to Eugene Malyapre.
10-point lead. Naagawan si Malyapre. Buti na lang, nandyan si
Malaluan to secure the possession. Malaluan, bounce pass pero na-strip ni Natividad and the score. And score is 54-64 in favor of Paracale.
We will have a report from Miss Cassandra Seton. Miss Cassandra, pasok.
Magandang gabi, Coach Morgan and Coach John. For our second and last game tonight, napapanood natin ang labanan ng dalawang kupunan. Paracale versus Santa Elena. Simula pa lang nga ng laro, medyo nahihirapan na ang Santa Elena na humabol sa kalaban. Kailangan pa nila ng adjustment and team chemistry upang mas makita ang maayos na pagkakaisa ng grupo. Ngunit ngayon ay paunti-unti namang humahabol ang Santa Elena laban sa Paracale. Nasa second half na tayo kaya tutok lang upang matunghayan natin kung sino nga ba ang mananalo ngayong gabi. That's the latest update. Back to the panel.
Yun, Miss Cassandra Seton.
Yes, maraming salamat, Miss Cassandra. Yun ang good observation on the part of Cassandra. So kanina, meron tayong on that sequence si Kobe Olivera with that highlight sana. And he was fouled but he did not make any free throw. So the lead is still up to 10 para sa Paracale. What a pass by Danny Marilao to Orijola.
That's another high-low pass.
Yes, a high-low play on the part of Paracale. Working wonders for them. Ayan na, si Del Rosario, one-on-ones against Orijola. May pick na galing kay Abiera. Del Rosario for 3. No good. AJ Miranda.
So the lead is back to 12. Meron tayong timeout. Nag-timeout yung koponan ng Paracale for a breather at 3 minutes and 16 seconds remaining. Ayan, hindi pa rin. Almost kanina, nag 1-point lead na lang po yan. Nahabol na sana ng mga taga Santa Elena. Pero ngayon, ayan na naman, 12, 12 naman yung kalamangan ng Paracale team. Ang team ni Coach Alex Nueva.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Kita-kita natin. Beautiful faces watching sa ating venue. And siyempre, nahuli ng ating magigiting na cameraman yan.
Siyempre, hindi makakawala yung mga ganyan, maganda.
Nakatawa ang aking kaibigan na naman na nakahuli ng magagandang dilag na nandito sa ating venue.
For your delight.
And ang ating kaibigan na si Miss Jody na maghapong nakasimangot na rito sa ating venue.
Kaya pala nag-lipstick dahil sisimangot siya maghapon.
Maraming salamat din sa hardworking men and women of IMBC headed by Direk Christian Calleja. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. And si Miss Russell who is in the building right now. And Boss RJ and si Sir Ino Rivera, ang ating puting kapatid ng ating commissioner, si Lloyd Rivera. Magandang gabi sa inyo. Salamat sa panonood.
And those thousands of kababayan natin mga Bicolano na nanonood sa kanilang mga tahanan. Nice move! Up and under.
Yes, an up and under move and the stare down galing kay Tikboy Del Rosario.
Alam mo, kung wala kang experience gaano sa basketball, hindi mo makagawa yung mga ganong klaseng move.
Yes, what an outlet pass
by
sayang
Tikboy. Lang. Doon lang nagmintis itong si John Hosol.
With exactly 2 minutes and 45 remaining sa ating third quarter. Lamang ng 10 ang Paracale. Orijola gives the ball. With 10 seconds to shoot. What a shot, partner, by number 18 na si Manawag Ismael.
That's a dipsy-do mula sa isang big guy. Nice pass! Nice shot!
What a pass by Eugene Malyapre. Tikboy Del Rosario.
Hoy! Nasa labas ka na!
Sa streaking na si Eugene Malyapre. And si Abasolo, nakaapak sa linya.
Actually, hindi lang sa linya. Talaga nasa labas na siya.
Oo, nakaapak sa labas. And ang partner, this is a manageable lead naman. Alam naman natin yan. Malaluan. Double team. Gives the ball to.
Grabe yung pressure na ngayon ng... Even though they're leading, alam nila na anytime mahahabol uli sila nitong Santa Elena kung sila yung magpapabaya. Kaya makikita natin yung Paracale na talagang they're putting pressure dito sa mga naka-purple.
Tama ka dyan. Kaya yan na si Nosol. Si Hosol. Attacking the defense. Alam naman natin talaga capable naman talaga bumalik ang Santa Elena with the likes of Tikboy Del Rosario and Eugene Malyapre. Kaya di nagpapabaya ang Paracale.
Kaya siguro sabi ni Coach Alex Nueva, hindi tayo pwedeng magpabaya.
Tikboy Del Rosario for 3. Kabang!
Down to just 7-point lead.
Del Rosario is ahead. Del Rosario stops. What a pass kay Hosol. Up and under. But the ball will go and will remain to Santa Elena.
Kaya-kayang simplihan lang yun ni John Hosol on that particular play o talagang mahirap? Dahil nasa ere na siya.
Kaya na si Tikboy, under goal stop, misses the shot. But there is Malaluan securing the possession, gives the ball to Eugene.
Hirap si Eugene doon after that pass from Maluluan. Because of the heavy defense doon sa under the goal, inside the paint.
And yan na. The score is 61-68 in favor of Paracale. Alvarez attacking.
Oh, it could have traveled.
Yes. Gives the ball to sana. So number 16 na si Fresnido. Coming off the bench. Very aggressive. Kaya ayan. Nabitawan ang bola. What a risky pass on the part of Bonanoan. Malyapre gives the ball to number 10 na si Villamarzo.
Nice recognition on the part of Eugene Malyapre. Giving it to
Del Rosario with the rebound. Outlets to number 10. Ayan na naman yung value.
There you go. Ganun kabilis makahabol itong mga taga Santa Elena. It is just another 3-point lead now. So tatlo na lang naman ang lamang nitong mga taga Paracale at yun, dinagdagan ng dalawa. So it's going to be 5-point lead. Oh! Medyo napalakas ni Eugene Malyapre yung pasa.
Hindi inaasahan na Villamarzo na ipapasa sa kanya ni Eugene.
Oo.
And Eugene acknowledges yung error and pointing to his coach na sabi niya akin to.
Oo, tama.
Ayan na si Alvarez. What a pass again. And all alone.
And may pa and one pa.
Villamarzo.
Iba yung pinapakita din itong si Villamarzo.
Yes, partner, tama ka. That is the value of Eugene. Tikboy Malyapre. Ay, Tikboy Del Rosario for you.
Tama naman Tikboy Malyapre. From Tikboy to Malyapre and then to Villamarso. Completing the 3-point play. Ayan, dalawa na lang po ang kalamangan. As we end our third quarter action, 8 seconds na lang, nalalabi. Big rebound para kay huge steal Malyapre at na-foul pa.
And Paracale is now in the penalty, so Eugene Malyapre will troop to the line for 2 free throws.
What an exciting ball game. At ayan, Eugene Malyapre will be shooting 2. Mayroong pagkakataon na matabla nila ito. Matatapos na yung ating third quarter. Oh, sayang lang. Medyo malakas ng konti ang kanyang tira. Tamang-tama sana yung arc but medyo malakas ng konti.
Maybe it's a sign of fatigue on the part of Eugene Malyapre. Nakalimutan ata.
Nakalimutan ni
Manawag. And that ends our third quarter with a score of 68-70 in favor of Paracale.
Ayan na naman yung buzzer natin. Non-stop buzzer. Anyway, what a way to end the third quarter. It's just a 2-point lead for Paracale. And we have a ball game here, partner. Asahan natin na magiging mas maatikabo ang ating magiging last and yung ating final quarter dahil sa close game. Talagang dikdikan, masasabi natin dikdikan ang laban. Although hindi pa nakakalid itong Santa Elena, they're looking forward, lalong-lalo na siguro dito sa fourth quarter na siyempre makatikim ng lead at makapanalo. But siyempre hindi rin naman papayag yung Paracale, I know, with the leadership of Alex Nueva and with this guns na sina AJ Miranda and itong si Danny Marilao and the rooster or nasa oo, sadahan natin yung ating mga leading scorers. Hawak ko ngayon ng team ng Santa Elena. Leading is Tikboy Del Rosario with 18 points. Jan Hosol, mayroon na siyang 15 points. And Eugene Malyapre, the huge steal, 14 points.
And on the part of Paracale naman, si Kirby Orihola is having a party pagdating sa scoring with 19 points. All in the first 3 quarters ng ating laro.
Tama. Okay, so here we go with the fourth and final quarter.
Yes, this is the fourth and final quarter. And the possession is in the side of Santa Elena.
Ito po ang Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Norte. Opening game. Ito po sa Basud Sports Complex. Ito po ihatid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na kasurug pa.
Yan na si AJ Miranda. Well defended. Miranda, what a back pass kay Orihola. I like this number 10 guy, Villamarso Edlic, when it comes to offense. Lalo-lalo na sa defense talaga, he is not afraid banging bodies with this big guys ng Paracale.
Imagine, isa sa pinakamalaking mama na naglalaro, si Manawag, papalpalin ang isang nasa 5'7" guy.
That is the courage for you of Villamarso. Kanina partner, he has a 7-0 pagdating sa scoring. 7 straight points, courtesy sa mga pasa na galing kay Tikboy Del Rosario and si Hosol crossing the half-court line. Hosol. Strip
steal by Orihola.
Oh, what a shot, partner.
Iba rin ang pinapakita. Iba rin ang talent itong Orihola. Imagine that. Nakakapag-bend siya ng gano'n, nakakapag-stretch ang kanyang katawan sa ere. Another steal. Manaog. Halos magiba ang poste ng ating rim. Ayan, 9 minutes and 12 seconds. Nakaumpisa lang po ng ating fourth quarter action. 75-68. It's a 7-point lead. Kanina, dalawa na lamang po yan.
Yes, it's a 5-0 run on the part
Oo,
of
5-0
Paracale.
run. Tama.
Sayang. But this is just far. This is far from over.
Oo.
Kaya this is just 9 minutes na nalalabi sa ating fourth quarter. And pasensya na dahil maraming nagchat-chat, nagpapa-shoutout and medyo this is just the first day kaya huwag kayong mag-alala.
Oo, baka maya-maya magkaroon tayo ng window for that.
Pagbibigyan natin yung mga kahilingan nyo and syempre ang importante is manood kayo. Kung wala kayo dito sa ating game venue, manood kayo sa ating Facebook page. Marami tayong social media platforms, sa ating YouTube channel.
Another error.
And another turnover on the part of and a useless foul on the part of Oliveira. And another turnover. Yun na nga, partner. Hindi maganda dahil coming off of timeout and nag-commit kagad ng turnover ang Santa Elena.
Ang masakit pa doon on the part of Santa Elena ay yung nag-cause ng mga turnover. Yung mga inaasahan talaga nila.
Yes, Marilao with a short jumper.
Wala na yan. Talagang yun ang mga range nitong si Marilao.
Kaya na si Tikboy Del Rosario, lobs it up.
What a play!
And
isama mo na yon sa ating top 10 plays of the week.
Yes.
Beautiful lob.
Yes, I guess Tikboy Del Rosario registered his double-double partner.
Oo.
When it comes to scoring and assist. Meron na siyang 10 assist. And yan na si Marilao against Eugene Balyapre. May pick galing kay AJ Miranda. Marilao. Orijola, hesitation, and he stepped on
good
the line.
defense on the part of the number 19 guy na si Prince Abiera.
A new guy coming off the bench from Santa Elena, si Hara, pinalitan si Hosol. I guess medyo may iniindang injury si Hosol sa kanyang left knee. Hinahawakan niya and ayun na si Del Rosario. Double team by Miranda. And Orijola.
They know what a good quality of a player itong si Del Rosario. Kaya talagang mabilis yung double team sa kanya. Balyapre. Posting up.
Hara. Attacks. Hara drops it up to the wrong man. With 5 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Del Rosario, baseline, three-pointer. No good. AJ Miranda, Natividad is rushing against Oliveira. Follow-away jumper, misses the shot. Hara securing the possession.
It will remain with the Santa Elena team. I'm talking about the possession.
Seconds to shoot.
Prince Abiera.
What a move. And he was fouled and will go to the line.
Another everything but the shot. Pero buti na lang na foul at magkakaroon siya ng chance na makascore pa rin with these free throws.
What a sorry miss, partner. This is the golden opportunity for them
to
score na hindi gumagalaw yung oras. So talagang every free throw counts pagdating sa Santa Elena.
Tama. And there we go, the split.
Split charities on the part of Prince Abiera that cut the lead to 6 points with 7 minutes and 23 seconds remaining sa ating huling yugto. AJ Miranda missing the 3-point bomb. Del Rosario.
Good hustle on the part of Manaog pero wala. He cannot control the ball dahil na-outbalance siya and he went off the floor. And right now it's going to be Santa Elena's ball.
This is anybody's ball game, partner. This is just a 6-point lead with 7 minutes pa ang nalalabi sa ating huling yugto. Del Rosario gives the ball to Abiera. Back to Del Rosario, one-on-one against Orijola.
Kailangang maiwasan nila na mag-commit ng mga mistakes kahit na under pressure.
15 seconds to shoot.
Del Rosario open for three. No good. Rebound by Olivera. Short jumper, misses the shot. Danny Marilao secures the possession. Natividad waiting for his teammates. Heavily guarded by Abiera. Marilao, free throw jumper.
Tira niya yan eh. Tira niya yan.
What a shot, partner. At the moment na receive niyo yung bola, nakatawa na, partner.
Oo. Kita
Si
mo
Danny
yung face
Marilao.
niya. Sabi niya, papa na to.
Yan na si Hara. Olivera gives the ball to Abiera. Abiera in and out dribble. Eurostep.
Nice shot.
Floater for two.
That's the best shot na nakita ko mula kay Prince Abiera.
And the lead is now to 6 points with 6 minutes and 15 seconds remaining sa ating fourth quarter. Orihola. Challenged by Olivera. Misses the shot. Eugene Malyapre secures the possession, but AJ Miranda scoring for two.
Magandang recognition on the part of Manaog. Hindi niya na pinilit na makuha yung bola. Itinip niya na sa kakampi niya.
Del Rosario.
Very easy for Tikboy Del Rosario. Yung mga ganong situation na talagang kung sa iba matataranta pa. Pero sa kanya, easy. Tira niya yan. Pero
missing the shot.
Missing this time.
Olivera is rushing. Olivera challenging Danny Marilao, but Marilao says no.
Oh no.
Pero I'd like the courage and yung tapang nitong si Olivera attacking Danny Marilao.
Tama.
Abiera, pull-up jumper. No
Muntik
good.
Na.
But there is Eugene Malyapre securing the 2 points. And partner, this is just a 4-point lead.
Ayan na naman, partner. Malapit na naman silang makatabla or makalamang dito sa larong ito.
Natividad, jumper, no good. Eugene, ahead is number 10. Number 6, and a score for Ladislao Jerome, and that cut the lead to 2 points with exactly 5 minutes remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter.
And that will make this game even more exciting sa ating pagbabalik dahil yan, dalawa na naman lamang ang kalamangan ng kupunan ng Paracale kontra Santa Elena, and it's just a 5-minute remaining dito po sa ating larong ito. Grabe yung effort ni Eugene Malyapre, no? Talagang karapat-dapat lang siya for the moniker, the huge deal. All right, so what an exciting game we're having here sa ating Game 1 ng ating Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Norte.
Yes,
ito po yung ating double header, and this is the second and final game for today.
Yes, tama ka dyan. This game is a story of runs. Kanina talagang lalamang na lamang yung Paracale, but inuunti-unti with patient offense sa pinapakita na nagsispearhead kay Tikboy Del Rosario. Ayan na si Orihola with 15 seconds remaining. AJ Miranda behind the back dribble. Challenged by Tikboy Del Rosario.
What a shot!
What a shot, partner.
AJ Miranda!
A cold-blooded 3 on the part of AJ Miranda over Tikboy Del Rosario. Del Rosario. Natividad stops and pops using the glass for 2.
Back to a 5-point lead or make it a 7-point lead. Ganun kabilis. Kung ganun kabilis makahabol ang Santa Elena, ganun din kabilis makarecover ang Paracale.
Yes, and as Olivera. Olivera gives the ball to Abiera. Abiera attacks using the glass, misses the shot. Malyapre skying high for the rebound.
But he loses the ball. At sa Paracale na naman po ang bola at 3 minutes and 55 seconds. Nalalabi sa ating ball game. Kapa Morgan and Wally Jan Batsilian at your service ngayong gabing ito.
AJ Miranda misses the shot.
Ang layo ng tirang yon, mukhang nadulas.
Ladislao gives the ball to Tikboy Del Rosario. Tikboy with a drop pass kay Ladislao for 2.
Nice play from Tikboy Del Rosario.
Yes, buhay pa ang Santa Elena, partner, with 3
Buhay
minutes
na buhay.
and 28 seconds remaining. Del Rosario. And, but there is Marilao.
Kaya lang ganung mga tira eh.
With the pull-up jumper.
Oo. Hindi nila ma-check itong si Danny Marilao posting or high posting.
What a block on the part of Natividad. With 12 seconds remaining sa kanila shot clock, the score is 81-88.
7-point lead.
7-point lead in favor of Paracale.
12 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds, substitution.
And Nabo replaced Orihola Kirby, I guess. Tama yung hula ko.
Oo.
Nabo is inserted in the lineup to guard that Boy Del Rosario. Grabe, partner, palit-palit. Pinagpapalit-palitan ng mga taga-Paracale. Ayan yun na. Malyapre. Hustle for 3. No good. Rebound.
Kung pumasok
by
yun,
Manawag Ismael.
Magiging ibang storya na naman. Ayan naman yung high post.
This is the shot. Marilao again securing the rebound.
Muntik na. It rattled out. Yung tirang yun inabo.
Natividad, alley-oop, Marilao. And the easy two. Del Rosario for 3. No good. Rebound by Natividad.
2 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. Siyampo ang kalamangan ng mga taga-Paracale kontra Santa Elena.
Alvarez Jomar misses the shot. Rebound by Tikboy Del Rosario.
Double team.
Yan na si Hosol. Hosol is rushing. Hosol drops it up to number 6. Rasidislao.
Almost losing that ball pero nakuha pa rin nilang ma-score.
Yes, partner, this is just a 7-point lead with 1 minute and 40 seconds. A steal by Tikboy Del Rosario. Del Rosario using the glass for 2.
What a play!
And a 5-point lead on the part of Paracale.
They need to put pressure right now. Tama yung ginagawa nila. Hand off. From
with 5 seconds.
Sayang, last touch ni John Osol yun. Pero mabuti naman yun para sa part ng Paracale. It's going to be another opportunity for them para mas madagdagan yung kalamangan to secure the win.
Marilao misses the shot. Abiera secures the possession. Gives the ball to Hosol. Outlets to Del Rosario. Lobs it up to Eugene. Eugene inside the paint. Up and under. Using the glass for 2.
Making it in heavy traffic.
This is just a 3-point lead with exactly 1 minute remaining sa ating laro.
So Paracale now medyo nasa pressure but you know, with the likes of AJ Miranda and Danny Marilao, they know how to manage this kind of pressure.
AJ Miranda
ina-apply sa kanila ngayon.
Against Eugene Valyapre. What a cold-blooded shot by AJ Miranda.
This guy is a clutch guy.
Del Rosario for 3. No good. Rebound by Manawag.
Iba talaga matangkad, partner.
Natividad waits for his teammates. Gives the ball to Marilao.
Foul by number 16.
92-87, 25.3 remaining. It's Paracale's ball. Let's see kung makakapag-defensive stop dito ang Santa Elena. Natividad.
Gives the ball to AJ Miranda. And he was fouled. And Santa Elena is not yet in the penalty. So tingnan natin, meron pang isang team foul ang Santa Elena to be in the penalty situation. But
Ayan, makikita natin yung mga tao, medyo nagkagulo na. Minsan may mga ganitong pagkakataon na nakauwi ka na tapos knowing na mananalo na yung isang team, yung pala pag uwi mo, iba yung nanalo.
Yes, nangyari yan sa atin doon sa Camarines Orleg, the part of Goa. Kaya stranger things happen sa ating liga, pero this is for a firm over. This is just the first day of our tournament. So makaabangan mo, partner, talagang marami tayong mangyayaring exciting ball games here sa Camarines Norte.
Tama, tama. Pero alam mo, partner, hindi man ganon, kung titingnan natin sa papel, hindi man ganon katindi yung lineup nitong Santa Elena. But look at that, they're having a good game against this big team na Paracale.
Tama ka dyan.
So ayan, nasa penalty na ngayon ang Santa Elena. Kaya eto si Danny Marilao nasa free throw line. Short yung kanyang unang tira.
Yes, Danny Marilao kanina, very timely, partner, yung mga score niya kanina.
Oo, tama.
Yung humahabol yung Santa Elena. Alam mo, yung mga pull-up jumpers niya. Kaya medyo kumbaga total team effort pa rin on the part ng Paracale.
Okay. We can say now that this is going to be Paracale's ball game. The first win dito sa first day ng ating inaugural season sa Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Norte. Final score natin, 93-87.
Yes, yun ang Team Paracale. Snatches their first win of our tournament. So, tingnan natin.
Nakakahabol yung Santa Elena. Kaya nila actually. Kaya lang, pagka nakahabol na, mabilis din na nakaka-recover itong mga Paracale. Kaya umaalagwa uli yung kalamangan. At yun na nga, sa pagtatapos ng ating game, sila yung nasa itaas, nakakalamang. Kaya they are the ones worthy of a win dito po sa ating unang game day. This is actually the second game dito sa ating game day 1 Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Norte. We're going to wait for the kasurog player of the game.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Yun na nga, mahirap pa din i-predict kung sino magiging kasurog best player of the ball game dahil nga sa total team effort na pinakita ng Santa Elena, yung kanilang distribution of balls, talagang yung kita mo naman nung humahabol, pumamada si Danny Marilao, and syempre yung cold-blooded 3 ni AJ Miranda over Tikboy Del Rosario. But still,
big candidates of course is Danny Marilao, Orihola, and of course we still have AJ Miranda for the Nasurog player of the game. So we will see kung sino yung bibit-bitin ng ating mga CSR or ating courtside reporters. Sino kaya ang magre-report last and magpapaalam na din at the same time. Yes. Well, ano mga thoughts mo for our first day sa ating Cam Norte? Cam Norte leg.
Alam naman natin, si very tiring kasi malayo. Coming from Albay, we traveled over here sa Cam Norte just to cover these games and bring Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Norte dito sa probinsya ng Camarines Norte.
But it's worth it.
Yes, it's all worth it. But I guess this is just the day 1 pero nakikita ko this is going to be a promising leg dito sa Camarines Norte.
Tama, tama. And yun din ang nasisense ko. It's going to be another blast na mag-create. Sabi ko nga kanina sa opening program natin na nagkaroon ng ingay sa Albay, nagkaroon ng clamor sa Kamsur, and dito sa Camarines Norte. We will see. And yun ang ano rin, ang magiging ingay at clamor nito. Ating Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Norte leg.
Tama ka dyan, and yun na nga, partner, dinala ni Congressman Saldico yung basketball dito, yung brand ng basketball ng Ako Bicol Cup dito sa Camarines Norte.
Tama, tama.
Para ma-unleash yung mga potentials ng mga player. Even, hindi lang yung mga players, but kagaya ko I've hosted. This is my first hosting
Kagaya
stint
ko.
kanina. My first hosting
Host ka
stint
na ngayon,
kanina.
ha?
And hindi ako makapaniwala, and thank you talaga. I'm honored to be part of this wonderful team headed by Commissioner Lloyd Rivera.
Oo.
And wala na akong masabi talaga.
Siyempre, bigyan natin ng praises itong mamang to, itong kalbong to.
Yes, tama ka dyan.
Itong si Coach Pao Binyas.
Who was very on hand from the start up to the venue, lahat-lahat talagang kudos to the team. Kumbaga, there is no I in this team sa atin, partner. Kumbaga, this is a total team effort kung bakit naging maganda ang ating liga.
Correct.
And yun na nga, tumatawa ang ating courtside reporter na si Barbie na bagong gupit siguro. And maraming salamat sa walang sawang suporta na binibigay nyo sa aming liga. And syempre, shoutout ko na rin ang ating butihing congressman na si Congressman Saldico and si Congressman Jill Bongalo na nandito kanina gracing our opening occasion. Kaya naman talagang naging very special ito.
Oo, at saka naging special pa because of the presence of our special guest kanina na si Coach Mavs ng Mavs Phenomenal Basketball.
Yes.
And we had really talagang very entertaining yung naging performance kanina ni ate girl, Jackie Gonzaga. Okay, and of course we would like to thank also Mayor, ang butihing Mayor ng itong Basud, na si Mayor Adrian Davoco. Talagang very warm yung pagtanggap niya sa Ako Bicol Cup dito sa kanyang lugar.
Yes, tama ka dyan. And yun na nga, walang sawa pagsasalamat talaga ang aming bibigay sa inyo. And syempre, I'd like to shout out my constituents sa Kawit East Washington Drive. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Mahal kayo ni Kagawad. Alam nyo na.
Oo, ito, we are taking a look at the highlights of this ball game. Napakalaking factor din talaga itong si Orihola dito sa pagkapanalo ng koponan ng Paracale. Ayan. So, sabi ko nga, isa sa mga candidates itong si Orihola as our best or kasunod player of the game. So, let us take this opportunity now, Wadi, John, to say bye-bye.
Yes.
Ayan. Maraming salamat po sa panonood ninyo ng Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Norte. Unang game po namin dito sa Basod Sports Complex. So, maraming salamat po once again.
Yes, once again, ako po si Wadi John Bachiller to Service. Maraming salamat sa pagtutok sa aming liga. And kasama
tayo po ay magbabalik bukas.
Yes.
Dito pa rin, same venue.
Yes, same venue. We have a triple header showdown bukas.
Oo, abangan niyo po kung sinong mga kupunan na magtatapatan bukas sa ating Day 2 ng ating Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Norte. And right now, I think ready na itong ating courtside reporter with the kasunod player of the ball game. Na, sino kaya? Alamin natin kung sino. Okay, Miss Barbie, ready na ba tayo? Ready na ba si Miss Barbie? Okay, Miss Barbie Floriano, take it away!
Thank you so much, Kapa Morgan and Coach John. We have here our Kasarog player of the game, Kirby Orihola, jersey number 24 from Team Paracale with 21 points, 4 rebound, 2 assists, and 3 steals. Congratulations, Kirby. I-share mo naman sa amin kung ano yung naging baon ng iyong team in this game.
Una pa lang kasi, di pa nagsisimula yung liga. Talagang practice na kami, sipag kami. Talagang tiyaga lang kami hanggang sa ito. Lahat ng team, tulong-tulong hanggang sa makuha ang panalo. Yun lang, sipag at tiyaga lang upang makuha ang panalo.
Now take your chance to greet and do shout out sa lahat ng iyong supporters and of course ng Team Paracale.
Sa lahat ng sumusuporta, salamat sa inyo. Yun lang, salamat sa suporta.
Congratulations again, Kirby and Team Paracale, for gaining your first win. And thank you so much, Camarines Norte, for welcoming us here in your province. Be expectant that the upcoming games will be getting more exciting and intense. Tomorrow we have triple games for you. And again, this is Barbie Floriano, your courtside reporter. Good night, mga kasurog.